would you say to your daughter in the build up to her having her like bond up? Like, what would be your kind of, how would you prep your sort of
Yeah,
child
I
for like
think
accepting, like, or getting ready for that sort
yeah,
of process?
I think that conversation is really important to have. And I think as orthodontists, it's really important to explain what is going to be, what the appointment is going to look like when they have their braces fitted, because it's a complete unknown. It's an unknown for the child, but often an unknown for the parents. So the main thing I stress is that there is absolutely nothing to be worried about. This isn't like normal dentistry. There is nothing awful or painful. There are no funny instruments or injections or anything like that. It's completely painless. If it's a fixed appliance bond up, the only thing I say is it takes a while. I would say it takes, about 20 minutes per arch. So in total, they could be in the chair for sort of 45 minutes or longer. And the main thing is there's lots of washing, lots of drying, funny flavors. Some of we call it edge. We place like a blue gel on the teeth that essentially cleans them up, prepares the enamel before the braces are stuck, and that can taste a little bit. I call it citrus, but I think that's describing it slightly nicer than it is. But I do say there'll be some funny tastes and flavors, lots of watching and drying. But during the actual process, the main thing they can feel is just pressure on the teeth. And then when the wires go in, again, it's a little bit more pressure. I do let them know that they can choose colours, because sometimes that can be a challenging choice, especially if you're faced with lots of colours at the start. It can take a while to choose the right thing. I ask them to have a little think about what they think they might like. Mm-hmm. Colours are changed every visit. I think all those things, they seem really small, but they're important, so everyone can prepare themselves.
Yeah.
And realise that there's absolutely nothing to worry about. It's completely painless, but just be aware of the time and the flavours and tastes and the slight pressure sensations.